everybody, and welcome to the channel. Today's video, we're unbagging our Ofra Cosmetics mystery bag. These are releasing on the 16th, and I'm going to show you everything that you can expect.
I'ma keep it cool with you. I feel like breaking rules on the edge, looking out with no parachute.
Hey everybody, and welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Rhonda. If you're returning, thank you so much. You're a rock star. And let's go ahead and unbag our Ofra Cosmetics mystery bag. This is available July 16th for $54, and I did double check. You can use a coupon code for these mystery bags. So if you use code Hotmess, that is going to save you an additional 20% off. So you are literally getting this for 40 some bucks. So let's go ahead and get into everything that we are seeing in this bag. Can we just say first and foremost, I really like that we have a reusable bag. Something's already coming out instead of the box. So I think that that's smart. They put a little bit more thought into the mystery boxes or mystery bags. So kudos to you. Alright, the first thing that is jumping right out of the bag is one of their lip liners. This lip liner is in the shade Wine. Let's go ahead and swatch it. I will say when it comes to their lip liners, they are definitely long lasting. Not necessarily one of my favorite lip liners, only because you guys know I love me a gel based kind of lip liner. Alright, this is a perfect shade. I absolutely love this. I actually don't own the Wine. I normally always use their Chestnut, but this is a really good color. I love neutral with like a hint of a pinky undertone. So this is one that's going to look great on a lot of people and go with a lot of lippies. And for me personally, right off the bat, it does kind of low-key remind me of Medium 2 from Charlotte Tilbury, which that is one of my absolute fave. Alright, let's go ahead and move into the next thing I see in here is a lippy that literally could not match the liner any better. So this is their long-lasting liquid liner or long-lasting liquid lippy in the shade Laguna Beach. I don't think I have this one. Let's go ahead and swatch this too. Oh, this is really pretty. This is definitely on the pinky side. Very, very pretty. And you can see it is paired beautifully with this liner. I do like that they put thought into those. So I don't know if every bag is going to have these colors. Just keep that in mind. But these are the products that you are going to see as far as a lip liner, a liquid lip. Moving on to the next item I see here is one of their signature palettes. This one is in Getaway. I don't think I have this one either. These are great on the go kind of palettes. Oh, and the color story, very, very pretty. We've got a satin, we've got a highlighter, we've got a couple mattes in there, and these are, okay, let's swatch. Very pretty. I really like the highlighter shade. This middle one, that is really pretty. My bad, guys. I'm using my new camera, and the screen's over here, so I constantly look over here to see, is your girl in focus? Would I be able to tell if I wasn't? I don't know. Honestly, these are really pretty colors, really pretty shades that I feel like are great for the summertime and perfect going into the fall. So here's the swatches. And of course, as we know, I love their shadow formula. It is a great shadow formula for sure. This is really nice. And honestly, for me, I can see using this shade all the time. As you guys can tell, like I don't use much eyeshadow. I do have my unconditional palette on today. Alright, jumping into the next item I see in here is their Makeup Fixer Setting Spray. This is great, TSA friendly size, 2 fluid ounces. And I really like their setting spray. It has a nice like skincare type of scent. I love the scent of it. It's not overpowering. It literally just smells like skincare. It works really good. Next in here, we are seeing their Foaming Vitamin C Cleanser. Once again, a great TSA friendly. You can get right through, no worries. I do carry around a lot of the Ofra Cosmetics travel products. When I'm traveling, I don't want to take a chance of losing my products. So I love that they have the 2 fluid ounce items in here, so you can have the comfort of home while you're away. Girl. Alright, next in here, oh, this is actually my oldest daughter's favorite liquid liner. This is the Verified Liquid Liner, obviously from Ofra, the whole flipping bag, Rhonda. You love Rusty. So as you guys can probably see, I don't use a liquid liner. I'm just not a liquid liner girly, period. I'm honestly not even a liner girly. So this will definitely be gifted. This is, I feel like, one of their best sellers. Haley, like I said, loves it. She is a cosmetologist. This is one that she loves to use as well. Oh, we got a full-size highlighter in Beverly Hills. Now, I'm not going to swatch this one because I know for a fact I have a couple of these in a palette and then a single. Now, you know, Ofra Cosmetics is like known for their highlighters, so you know how this is just, I want to say this was like one of their first highlighters ever created. I love that there are so many different shades, so you could either swirl them all around or you can go individually. Either way, this is great to use either on the cheeks, which it's intended for, on the eyes, or I will even sometimes put it either on the Cupid's bow or on my lips and kind of blot it in for that fuller, plumper look. Like, I have people accuse me all the flipping time, like, you're always getting lip filler. Sweetie, it's been 2 years. Matter of fact, I just learned if you can crinkle your lips like this, it shows people that you don't have that full, juicy, lip-filled lips. Next in here, oh, this is wonderful. We've got the Cheek Enhancing Power Duo in the shade Unit. This is a duo. I think I may have this, so I won't swatch this one. This is what it looks like. You can see there's 2 different shades in there. There's the bronzer, there's the blusher. I love when they include things like this because, again, I just feel like you really get a bang for your buck here. And if you need a bronzer side, whether you're contouring or what have you, this is just wonderful. And then again, you can swirl it together or individually you can use that blusher shade. So love when they have things like this. And then of course we've got the bag and then a cute little iconic sticker. So that is everything that is literally going to run you. If I'm going to do fast math, I'm going to say that's like $10 off. So what, 44 bucks, give or take. I think this is a great bag. And what I will say is I do love the fact that it looks like they did put thought into this bag. I love that the signature palette is one that is going to be a good neutral palette. Keep in mind, you can also use these on your cheeks. When I created my signature palette, I went with the intention of it being a blush palette, but you could also use it on your eyes. And that is something that I would most definitely do, especially with these shades. I just think it would be beautiful. This too, you can definitely use not only on the eye, but this would be a beautiful highlight. And of course with this, you can mix them together. Don't be afraid to mix your colors together. Like, look how beautiful, I don't know if the light is picking that up, but look how beautiful mixing those 2 shades together. You get just a nice, soft, bronzy, sun-kissed glow. And then of course these would make beautiful blushers. So if maybe these aren't so much your eyeshadow shades, put them on your cheeks. They're going to be gorgeous, especially right now with the summertime. So, and then don't forget, there is a mirror in here that is wonderful, travel friendly, perfect on the go. And then of course with this little lip duo, I love the fact that it matches. So I think overall, I think they did curate this bag very nicely, especially for the $40-some price tag. Don't forget, code HOTMESS is going to save you that additional 20% on this bag. I think they did really good, and I think stepping it up and putting everything into a travel-friendly bag was genius. So good job, Ofra team. I love that. So thank you to Ofra for sending this bag over my way to unbox for you guys. I greatly appreciate it. Let me know your thoughts down below. Again, this is supposed to launch July 16th. Does that mean it's going to launch right at midnight, noon, or could they sneak it in on the 15th? I don't know. So definitely make sure to check out their site. Use my code. Thank you if you do. It is an affiliate. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you to those of you that keep returning and following me on my socials. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. And until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah.
Keep it cool with you. I feel like breaking rules on the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about